Hello and happy holidays. Today I will show you how to generate names and descriptions for your NFTs. I'm sure you heard about NFTs before and maybe even acquired a couple of them. I created this code in the context where I created my first NFT collection here on OpenSea. It is Christmas themed. There are some small elves with different accessories and colors, which have their own particular name, a Christmas wish in the unlockable content, and a promo code. So the first thing I needed to do was to get the completions code from OpenAI API. So here we have in the first reference the default chat example available on their website, and I needed to modify it a little bit to be able to generate a Christmas wish. So for instance, if I write generate the Christmas wish, it will generate me something similar. I think it's okay. So this is the wish it generated. Fortunately, we have the code available here, and we can use it very easily. I pasted it in a notebook, and it will be available there. So the first thing to do would be to create a directory in the drive where to store the .env file and the output with the names in the description. We have a couple of variables here, and here is the number of NFT descriptions we will generate. At the moment I will put 10 to be able to run the code fast, but you can input any number you want. For instance, in my account, if I go to manage account and then to billing, I will show you that in the usage, here the usage is not very high. I think for my 10,000 NFT description I generated, I think I spent around 70 cents or something like that. So it would not like jump the costs or something. You can do this very easily. So the next thing would be to install the libraries. We have, of course, the names library to generate the name for each elf. Here we have a small article where they show us how to generate first and last names. I generated for each elf last name, and I put the index in the collection right here. Then, of course, for our promo codes, we will need to generate it as an integer, and then to encode it using base 64. I used this small example here because it was very short and really easy to use. Then here we have to mount the drive to be able to access the documents from our tutorial. So directory right here, and to load the environment file, the environmental variables. In order to import the libraries, I have this list right here, and of course to load the OpenAI API key, which is available in the API keys section right here. Okay, so then I used here the function to generate my promo code and wrote the main loop to create the list for the names, the wishes, and the promo codes. And if I run these, it will generate me 10 names, wishes, and pronouns. Here I use the ADA engine, so it will imply less cost, and of course I wanted to generate only one response. At the end, in this prompt string, I put the prompt exactly from the playground earlier, which is this text. I pasted it right here in the prompt. And now, if we want to write it in an Excel file, in a sheet, we can basically create a data frame and fill the columns with the data from the list. Then we can write it in our else data Excel, and maybe we can even print it right here in the console. And of course, here we have the results. It's a bot. You give me the sender presence, and it generates a name and promo code. Okay, this was very short. Thank you for watching, and I